Friends, today my aunt bought me a giant excavator. Wow, look at this huge excavator arm. It's so much fun to move and operate by hand. I'll ask my aunt to help me attach the arm to the excavator.
Wow, that was super easy. The arm is now installed and ready to use.
The large shovel is also really cool, and it attaches perfectly to the back of the excavator. This excavator even has an opening door so you can climb inside like a real construction vehicle. The door locks securely for safety. Now it's time to play with my awesome excavator again. Look how big and powerful the arm is. Friends, do you love this amazing excavator? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.